Welcome back, everybody. So we've officially missed one day, and that happened because I just ran out of time yesterday. I had a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, didn't get finished until like 1, 2 o'clock this morning. So yeah, tried, didn't, just failed on that one. So instead of January 1st, it'll be January 2nd. It'll be 365 days for us. 2027. Almost went to 2 days, and we'll just make up the 2 days, but can't do that. If we know and we realize and we know that we don't have the one, then we're just gonna have to keep it going. And so yeah, that's the plan. If any days get missed, we add them to the start of the next year, and just gonna really try to not miss any days. So here we go. This is going to be our that's esoteric. There we go. Here we go. Alright. So we got some Fizzy Alka-Seltzer mints. My leg is seriously messed up. I haven't been able to feel my toes for a good while now. So that bulging disc pinching the nerve. Okay, this is the one we're gonna go with right here. And let us start this edit. Up. Contrast. I've got big check zone. Ooh, take that saturation. Texture, clarity, haze, luminance, color. Okay. This isn't gonna really take a lot. Pretty much try it kind of where I like it. For now, for what we're doing. But we're gonna bring it up just a bit. Right. Is all right. Textures, clarity, horizon, D right, sharpness, D noise. That is our photo for today. We'll see you tomorrow for the next. Bye-bye.